Good morning, it's me Laurent with One Water Yacht Group. We are the Sunseeker distributor and we're happy to present to you the 88 yacht. Also been a very popular yacht from the 82s, all the series up to the 86, 88. I'm stepping here on the hydraulic platform. As you can see, you have lots of storage here. The hatch opens up and you can have your fenders, your scuba tanks, all your toys, nice and neat. I'm here on the aft deck area. You have here your control station for the gangway. And lovely area, very large. And then you have these curved panel doors, which you can open up. Also, these side panel can go all the way to port side to create more space. On your starboard side, you have a nice little sink to wash your hands. And on your port side, you have control station to maneuver. I'm heading into the Salon, and she won the award for best exterior design. But look at all the beautiful detail. Rise and fall TV. And on both port and starboard side, you have manual sliding doors. Absolutely stunning, all the details. I have a day hat. Entering into the Salon and the Galley area, and you got two beautiful sliding doors, so it closes off completely and you can have full privacy for the guest and owner. And I'm here in the wheelhouse. As you can see, on both port and starboard side you have doors. The entire 88 yacht has been built with the eucalyptus wood, and here you can see in the galley with a nice gray lacquer and beautiful countertops. Let's go down below to the staterooms. Look at all the beautiful detail. And I'm just going straight into the master stateroom. Again, large windows on both port and starboard side. And the fabrics and materials they used is absolutely stunning, very elegant. And on your starboard side, you have a nice relaxing area, nice seating, and your vanity desk. Aft of the master stateroom, you have lots of storage. And then his and hers. And again, very large shower. Port side gas stateroom. You either have the two single beds, or in this configuration you have them together as a double. Starboard side you have the two singles. And again, also for the gas staterooms, absolutely stunning, very spacious shower. Heading into the VIP, and look at this, beautiful. It's almost like a private lobby, very spacious VIP. Getting upstairs to the Flybridge, and the first thing you see is this beautiful detailed bar. Serious large grill. And below that you have a commercial ice maker. You got 2 fridges, drawers in here. All this space, very large dining table. And she's equipped with Garmin. You got the 16-inch screens on the Flybridge. I'm walking here towards the bow. As you can see in the bulwark, you have all this glazing. And already on the side, you have the glazing all the way from the deck all the way to the overhead. So you got a beautiful view outside. And I'm heading here towards the bow. And you have a lovely space here. You have 2 separate crew quarters, so you can have 4 crew, and a washer and dryer. They have this nice little area here to watch TV, and a shower stall. And they can head into the engine room from the crew, so not to disturb the owner and guest when they're out sitting on the aft cockpit area. So she's equipped with MTU engines, 2000 horsepower, which will give you 28 knots top speed. You have 2 29 kilowatt generators, Onan, and comes with the water maker. Other details, the 88 yacht is equipped with CMC fin stabilizers, which are electric, so they're not noisy at all, and they also work at anchor. I hope you enjoyed the video of the 88 yacht. It was a brief walkthrough, but great opportunity here at the Miami Boat Show. I will try to do a video of the Super Hawk 55, and I believe I have the 90 Ocean already from the Cannes Boat Show. Like and subscribe, would really help me. And contact me if you need to know the availabilities and the next delivery of all these beautiful Sunseeker yachts.